Hi, in this video we're going to use a COUNTIF statement, and that COUNTIF statement is going to total the number of males and females that have completed the questionnaire. This can be used to analyse gender feedback. So in order to understand what's going on, I'm going to take you back to the cleansed data sheet. So you can see that in my gender column I have F for female and M for male. And if I select the whole column, you'll notice that I've named this range of cells called gender. So I'm not going to be using cell references. Again, I'm going to be using a named range. So I'm going to go back onto my analysis sheet, and the COUNTIF statement works like this. Equals COUNTIF. So it's only going to count if it matches a condition. I'm going to open a bracket. The range is the named range that I've already given in my cleansed data sheet, which was gender. Okay, there's no gender, comma, and then my criteria is either F for female or M for male. So because it's a string, I need to put it in speech marks. So Shift and 2 gives you the speech marks. I'm going to type in M for male, close the speech marks, close the bracket. And what that should do then is count the number of times that M appears in that range. So it appears 50 times. So because there's 100, female should be the same amount of times. So again, equals COUNTIF, open a bracket, gender, comma, open speech marks, F female, close the speech marks, close the bracket, enter. So I got 50-50 gender feedback from my survey. So that's how you use COUNTIF to analyze results, specifically in this case for gender.